picture this. Hundreds of hatchlings making their way down the beach under a moonlit sky with all these stars. But what if there's a brighter light source? Artificial lights can confuse hatchlings, leading them in the wrong direction away from the ocean. So why do lights confuse hatchlings? Sea turtle hatchlings typically emerge at night, as that's going to be the safest time for them to make that dash to the ocean. It's believed that they'll crawl up, wait just below the surface of the sand, wait for a drop in sand temperature, and that's their cue to know it's nighttime. Instinctively, they move towards the brightest point, which should naturally be the horizon. And for millions of years, it's been that reflection of the moon and stars over the water, guiding them safely home. But now with hotels, houses, streetlights, and other coastal development along the shore, the brightest light isn't always the ocean. So instead of heading towards safety, many hatchlings crawl inland towards danger. Disorientated hatchlings can become exhausted, using up that precious energy they need for their big swim. They can become dehydrated or fall prey to predators. Sadly, most won't survive that wrong turn. So, what do we do to protect them? Well, luckily there are many ways that we can help. Many beach communities have lighting ordinances that require people to use turtle-friendly lights, those that are low, shielded, and amber or red in color. These colors are less visible to turtles, so they don't distract hatchlings from that natural ocean glow. Volunteers and conservation groups also patrol beaches. Will install light screens around certain nests that may have an issue with lights. These are simple barriers to block out artificial light from nearby buildings or roads. They're often made from a dark mesh or fabric placed on the inland side of the nest. This helps keep the area around the nest darker, so when the hatchlings emerge, the brightest light that they see is the reflection of the moon over the ocean, guiding them in the right direction. Now, you don't have to be on turtle patrol to make a difference, and here's how you can help from home or on vacation. Turn off outdoor lights near the beach at night. Close blinds or curtains so indoor light doesn't spill out. Swap out bulbs for amber or red turtle-friendly ones. Never use flash photography on nesting beaches, and if you walk the beach at night, bring a red flashlight only, or better yet, just use the natural moonlight. Small changes like these can save hundreds of hatchlings every season. Every time a hatchling makes it to the ocean, it's a victory. Not just for that tiny turtle, but for everyone who helped to make the beach a safer place. Thanks for watching this Turtle Tuesday. Together, we can ensure that every hatchling gets its chance to shine. Under the moonlight, not a porch light. Be sure to tune in next Tuesday for another Turtle Tuesday video. If you could give this video a like, subscribe, and share so others can do some turtly good too. We'll see you then.
It's time to dive in and do something good with Myrtle the turtle, just like we should. We'll learn and laugh and help us see on Do Turtley Good.